Efficiently managing snapshot storage usage helps in utilizing space of VMs and volume groups. By identifying and removing old or irrelevant snapshots, you can reclaim valuable capacity. There are multiple places to look to identify any snapshots on your cluster, and there are multiple types of snapshots. To view the total snapshot usage in Prism Element, choose Storage from the main drop-down menu. Then click on Table and pick the storage container you want to check. Here, you'll find details on how the space is being utilized. Protection domain. Snapshots are groups of VMs and VGs on the same schedule. You can view these snapshots in Prism Element. From the drop-down menu, choose Data Protection, click Table, and then Local Snapshots. This will tell you how much reclaimable space is possible. Prism Central takes snapshots called recovery points. In Prism Central, go to Compute and VMs to see the overall size of the storage container. Then click on Data Protection and VM Recovery Points. Click on the VM from the list to see the recovery points associated with the VM. Please leave a comment and let us know if this was helpful. Thanks for watching.